In July 2025, an observatory in Chile called ATLAS, which stands for Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, spotted a faint smudge of light. Astronomers quickly calculated its trajectory. It wasn't from around here. It was a visitor from another star system originating from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. In all of recorded history, we have only confirmed 3 interstellar objects. That is, objects from outside our own solar system. We are currently experiencing the 3rd one. It's a big deal. And it's not like the other 2. And it sparked a bit of controversy that's part comet, part conspiracy. Possibly alien. So they called it 3I Atlas, the 3rd interstellar object discovered by ATLAS. The first 2 set a confusing stage. The first was Oumuamua in 2017, a weird, cigar-shaped tumbling rock with no fuzzy coma. The second was Borisov in 2019, a surprisingly normal comet, full of dust and water just like ours. And now, 3I Atlas. NASA announced it posed no threat to Earth and was set to pass by at a safe distance. The mainstream scientific view was, and largely remains, that it's a comet, a celestial snowball from another star, passing through our solar system, behaving like a regular comet, and we're just getting a chance to study it. But many around the world, and some scientists, had different views. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, who also famously studied Oumuamua, has led the charge, claiming 3I Atlas might not be a comet, but could be a piece of alien technology. This view is based on some strange circumstances happening around 3I Atlas. First, its suspicious trajectory. Proponents of the idea claim the object's path, which takes it unusually close to inner planets like Mars and Venus, is a 1 in 20,000 chance.
The peculiar thing about it is that it's moving along a trajectory that is very special. When it arrives closest to the sun, the Earth would be on the opposite side, and we won't be able to observe it. But that's exactly the time when it could do a maneuver to slow down and visit us. And one wonders whether this trajectory was designed by some extraterrestrial intelligence.
They speculate that this suggests it was designed for a reconnaissance mission. Next, it's not breathing right. As it neared the sun, it started outgassing, but it was all wrong. It dumped 16 times more carbon dioxide than a typical comet and had surprisingly little water. And then it changed color. The object began releasing a dramatic amount of cyanide and nickel, chemicals that caused its coma to glow a threatening green. Then, astronomers detected something truly bizarre: nickel tetracarbonol. This is a refined metal compound never before seen in nature. It's used on Earth in manufacturing, including the aerospace industry, to strengthen surface materials. As it whipped around the sun, it also showed non-gravitational acceleration. It was speeding up with way more zip than expected, more than a normal comet's rocket effect. Loeb suggested images showed a complex jet structure, like thrusters. The climax came just after its closest pass to the sun. The object suddenly began losing an insane amount of mass. Loeb suggested it might have exploded into multiple pieces, perhaps an alien spaceship engine breaking apart? Fourth, the missing image. Loeb claims NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter snapped a high-resolution photo as 3I Atlas passed Mars on October 2nd, but that the image was never released, fueling suspicion. The consensus amongst most people, despite the controversy, is that 3I Atlas is a comet and not some alien spaceship. Its explosion was likely the comet disintegrating under the sun's intense heat, a common fate for comets, but one we've never seen happen to an interstellar guest. But it seems people have already made up their mind. Those who believe it's an alien reconnaissance mission to check out our solar system before something big comes are not convinced by the answers being given by NASA. In a month from now, it's set to pass by the Earth. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.